Hey everyone, if you want to update AnyDesk in 2026 and make sure you're always running the latest version, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to update AnyDesk step by step on Windows, Mac OS, and mobile devices. First, updating AnyDesk is important because it brings new features, security fixes, and better performance. Yeah, it also helps prevent connection errors. To start, open AnyDesk and go to the About section. Here you can check your current version and see if an update is available. The easiest method is automatic updates. Go to Settings, then Access, and find Automatic Updates. Select the main channel or stable channel, and AnyDesk will update automatically in the background. If Automatic Update is not enabled, you can update manually. Just download the latest version from the official AnyDesk website and install it. When you run the installer, AnyDesk will detect your old version and update it automatically without deleting your settings. For mobile devices, updating is simple. On Android, open Google Play Store. On iPhone, open the App Store, then tap Update if available. After updating, restart AnyDesk to make sure all changes are applied properly. This helps avoid connection issues. Finally, go back to the About section and confirm that your version has been updated successfully. If you want to avoid manual updates in the future, enable automatic updates. So AnyDesk will always keep itself up to date, and that's it. You've successfully updated AnyDesk to the latest version in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.